Hi everybody, this is Janet D, the PT. As a licensed physical therapist, I love working with individuals who are 55 and plus. And today's video is going to be working on stairs. Okay, now, a lot of people tend to avoid the stairs or to say, they're too tough to handle, okay? But the reason why in therapy we love doing the stairs, even for the people who don't have stairs in their house, is because it's a great cardio and strengthening exercise, okay? Plus, it's very functional because when we get outside into the world, there's going to be curbs and there's going to be stairs at relatives' house. So why don't we eat the frog? Why don't we do the hard thing that is the stairs and kind of take away that fear and apprehension of doing the stairs? All right, so I'm going to show you a couple of great exercises that we do to help this. Okay, so one of my intro exercises for stairs is I just have this box and I have this rail, okay? But you can easily use a set of stairs at your house, okay? So the first exercise is just going to be bringing your foot up onto the box, okay? First thing we always like to do in therapy is make sure that we have the movement necessary before we start adding in some weight, okay? And what's great about this mirror is that you can see how I'm lining up on the box. Okay, now we're going to start adding in some of my weight. Okay, so I'm going to be stepping up and down. So I'm keeping one leg on the box and the other leg is moving. Now, you may be thinking, okay, so which leg is doing the exercise? It is this one, okay? This one is staying planted and strengthening the quad, the hip muscles as we're going. And you can see how I'm trying to keep my hip, knee, and ankle in alignment in order to isolate the correct muscles in my hip to provide this stability, okay? Okay, now we're going to switch because one side may feel stronger than the other, and that's okay. That happens. But just because one side may lack, it doesn't mean that we avoid it. If anything, we should tackle it more. Okay, I'm going to show you the next exercise. Ready? Okay, so this exercise is going to be a step down. Okay? So the important thing here is placement of the straight leg. So if you're a weaker leg, if you have a weaker leg, make sure that that's the first one going down. So it's nice and solid. Okay? And you see how my heel is popping up? That is normal. That is natural because it's getting ready for my next leg to come on down. Okay? And now we're going to switch. Okay? What's great about doing this in your home is that you have railings to hold on to. We're only doing one stair. Okay, we don't have to tackle a whole flight. You can get a great workout with one step. Okay, and then our next exercise is going to be sideways. So we're just going to be stepping down, coming back up. Stepping down, coming back up. Okay, what's great about this exercise is that you can see where my knee is going to be. The leg that's going to be doing the stabilizing is this one. So you're actually going to feel the muscles on both legs. This exercise is harder because you're going to feel it here on the standing leg, but also you're going to feel it on the moving leg. Okay, and now you're thinking, Janet, what am I going to do to get the other leg? Okay, that is when we go and we turn around. Or you can turn around so then you still have your handrail to support you, okay? And to make this exercise a little bit harder, you see how this foot is not actually coming onto the step? That's just a progression to make it a little bit harder. Okay? This is what's so great about having a physical therapist in your corner, kind of tackle some of these scarier things. All right. Okay, so if you really enjoyed this video, go ahead and press like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and neighbors. Janet D, the PT.